just a few more. Thank you all again. It's cold as shit, so I appreciate you.
I'm gonna swap out your mic because I think the batteries might be going out.
Oh, sick.
Yeah, hold that for a second. There you go. All right. Nothing to see here, nothing. It's just a normal kind of day. Okay.
Can you hear me still?
Yeah.
Okay, seance at the gay bar, or no one sucks dick with hate in their heart. Also, my parents in Virginia are watching. What's up, Mom and Dad? Anyway, seance at the gay bar. After the heart attack snow clears, the men line up as a welcome to Brick City. I'm wading through it to find a way to quiet all blue-faced voices. After a long drag, I say someone better give me a bobby pin and a fresh stick of Big Red. The mustache and the mutton chops stare in disbelief as I say, I'm not ready for the hard moments of my life to happen. Do not touch the party lights or the DJ. Under all this, I'm no tramp, but I'm not a lady. I'm just somebody with poverty dreams and a weather-dependent class status. I'm confusing pink clouds with smoke and men who can't change, but according to my psychic, keep meeting me in life after life. I'm tired of this backlit room full of thumbs touching me like I'm holy, licking me like I'd melt. The gay code and the angel numbers agree. Fuck that scrub man who keeps meeting me in ripe gardens, who comes at night coupled with a hangover. I don't want to manifest any more terrible men who ghost like a job, who always have suspicion on like sample cologne. The harsh and bitter truth, it is all research, it's not fucking. When I said I loved you, I didn't mean forever. In the marsh field of grief, teeming with red cosmos, I want to stop missing you.